So good morning. I'm now at home and I want to see what I can get from this gravel what I collected yesterday. Okay, do we have any gold or don't we have nothing here? So I need to classify. I wish that be dry, but maybe I need to use water to classify this material because I need just smallest particles. There is a lot of big pieces. Which ones I don't even need it. So let's classify. Maybe I use some water. Some water. Let's see how it works with this. Because it's not dry, it's very hard to classify. Yeah, works. It classifies. So let's see. I need to work on all this gravel and then we'll be panning and we will see what we have in this material. So let me finish at least half a bucket. This is 2 gallons bucket and we'll see how much I can get it, because this is still big pieces. Okay, and mostly galena. Okay, let's go. Pan it. There is not pan it or just classify everything. So I finished classifying all this big material. This pile, this is water, and this much I got 180 mesh maybe material. So now let's see, do we have a gold in this dirt, sand? Okay, let's take a little bit, like that much. If it is gold, I will see it. Okay, okie dokie. So let's pan it. How to do it? I don't have a big pan where you can hold the water, so I use this way. What to do? I'm not in village. Yeah, I don't have nothing, but I still try to something to found. So I shaking well, got all gold. If there is, go down, and I throwing away that top part. You see there's some kind of sand on the surface and black sand is in the bottom, and that black sand is mostly galena. It's heavier than black sand. And later on I check it with the magnet, we'll see what we have here, but I don't think so that we have too much. So let's fast pan it. I put it back in that bucket where it's all material, because I'll be working on something with this material. If not even I found a gold or something, I don't need that gold, but I need to figure out how to work with this kind of small gravel. Okay, it's the main thing. It's not so simple. Classify, but especially when you have a lot of galena, it's not magnetic. How it is not even heavier than magnetic. So galena you can recover so easy, but gold is not even more heavy than that. Okay, I wish all gold stays in this place. If there is, I don't know. So this is just test. First test. Do we have a gold at all? Okay, now moment of truth. Try to make it to see do we have gold or not. Okay, everything black. Oh, oh. Hey. 2 specks, I see 3. Look, guys. They have gold. 1, 2, 3 over here. How to show? So I have some kind of gold, very small pieces. So adding some water, and I try to remove the magnetite with the strong magnet. We will see, do we have magnetite? Some kind of, because there is a lot of black stuff. I think this is just no, yes, black sand too. So at least eliminate something. So, and then try pan it without black sand. Okay, I remove some black sand. Now we pan it again to see, maybe be better to see. I need 2 hands, but let's see. Too much water. Oh, I can see right away gold. You can see shines. You see? See gold? Right away can see gold shines like what, another piece. Okay, just camera don't want to show you. Okay, let's pan it. Let me use 2 hands. I show you whatever. I got gold, but very little amount, but there is gold. Oh, this is 1 little piece, and here, if we can see those like microscopic dots, there is a gold too. Okay, and it's very hard to pan it because this material is heavy, and you can see gold everywhere. Here little piece. But how to recover from this galena? But here, how small is? Just need a microscope to see that. Let's see that little thing. It's a gold. Over here, little thing. Very small gold. And this is a bigger piece. Bigger piece, but just 1. And don't know what this rock, heavy one. Okay. Oh, nicely see how small the gold is. See? There is gold. Then I need to go and found it where the gold is from. And here it's mixed with that black heavy material something. So let's pan another bunch. I use smaller pan to pan the same material. I transfer that from the big one to small one. And this is for difficult soil. And you see how small gold is there? You see the gold? Or here? You see the corner? Well, that is a gold, what I recover here. And all those microscopic pieces is a gold. And it's everywhere over here. Very small gold, very small gold. So means in that creek, somewhere far, is a bigger pieces. Need to find a, go back and look for quartz and see what we can get. Okay, so let's pan another pan. On this I put it away. Later on I try to pan it very well, and we'll see what we get. Trying to concentrate all gold in one place in the bottom of this bucket in one corner, and I be taking just that material. Let me do it. It's like this, and then I take this sand away because there's no gold. Gold is in the bottom, and try to pan it that one to see what I get it. That is not so simple, like I think. And this is one more time I use classifier, a little bit smaller. It's still too big pieces over there. Okay. So I just use the bottom. I don't need to. I need that sand for another experiment. So I don't want to waste. But I need to see how much gold is there worth going. But main reason why I do this test is to figure out, do we have gold in that area? Okay, if that gold is coming from somewhere, so I need to find a spot where they're coming from and then work with that material. So this creek is just a play to figure out, do we have gold in that area at all? And looks like we have gold and just need to find a place where it's coming from. I don't want to work on with one hand. Okay guys, let me what I got. Throwing out that sand is easy. It's nothing inside. I try to put that all gold in the bottom with this and throwing the sand, white material out. Oh, I forgot. Need to try to get the all black sand, at least something to eliminate. No. Okay. And it's so hard to pan it because this is material have galena inside. But you see, we have gold too. Okay. And look how small those all little yellow dots is the gold pieces. They are so small compared with the finger. It's almost nothing. Okay. If I put together, maybe you see the inside. You see the how small gold is. A few bigger pieces over here, but those all little dots is a gold. Microscopic gold is a lot. So means there is some kind of rock or something. So let's try transfer to that big, smaller pan. Here is already some little material. With this, very easy to pan that microscopic gold. And let's see. I think I finished with this panning stuff. There is gold. You see these little pieces. They're very little, not a lot of gold. And a lot of microscopic gold. It's like small pieces. So, okay, that means I can come back in that area and look for rocks, quartz where it's coming. Because this is mostly microscopic gold. It's like very little pieces. You see, but it's a lot too. You see how many? All those. Oh, that way I can show you better. I'm still learning, guys, how to work with the camera. You see, I'm putting very close. I can show you that gold. That very little pieces, but look how many of them. Okay. So main thing to find a way how to recover that gold. Okay. But I working with the rock, so I be going to that place and try to find place where that gold is coming. Okay. So nice to look in this gold. There's some few little bit bigger pieces, very little. Okay, or here one of the biggest piece so far, or maybe no, that this one. Okay. And you see when I pan it, all the microscopic gold, this is maybe two. It's a microscopic gold. You can see them too. Very close to surface. Okay. Actually, I'm happy. I found new place in San Gabriel Mountains where you can go look for rocks, for gold rocks, which one contains quartz, and try to find a gold. That is the main reason why I was going in that place, to collect that samples to figure out where the gold is. But you see how small the gold, you barely see. If it's without microscope, you can see. See, there's no gold here, looks like. When I go with the camera closer, and then I can start seeing colors. Okay, you see the yellow right away, that is the gold. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I have a lot of work to do. So one problem is the galena. So why I don't want to go pan in that area, because it's almost impossible. You know how hard I work to pan this thing? And this contains the quartz and everything. And I have big pile for experiments later on if I need it. But panning is bad. So I try to go in that area one day and try to find place where the gold is coming. Because there is actually not bad amount of gold. It means it's coming from somewhere. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.